Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with a brand new video. This time we'll be unboxing the North Face Denali down jacket. Let's go and unbox it together. The North Face Denali down jacket. There's another one called the North Face Denali jacket, but this one has goose feathers in there, so this is a little different. That's why it's called the North Face Denali down jacket. Let's try it out and see how it looks. This is how it looks in the front. We have a Napoleon pocket over here, two sides hand warmer pockets. On the left arm we have engraving 550. The elbow pads have goose feathers in there for durability. On the other side as well. Let's open it up. Polartec recycled. This is how it looks on me. And on the back you have same goose filled feathers. I'm a medium size, so I'm about like 5'8", 5'9", 168 pounds. Medium fits perfect to me. Nice durability here, nice breathable. You know, you don't want it too tight on the armpits. So yeah, we have a last two strings over here to make it tighten under your waist here, so the wind won't go through. Very comfortable, very relaxed and warm fleece. I purchased this from Amazon for about 120 bucks. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check it out. And this is the tag. It says men's Denali down jacket, charcoal black, suggested retail $199. Guys, if you like this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.